So hello everyone, hope all you are doing well. So in our previous video we see how to register for the Palo Alto official account. Now in this video I'm gonna go through the both the certificates. So you need to go to the official website as first link, and after that you need to sign in to your account that you created like in the previous video. So click to the sign in, click to the research, and after that there is a sign in page appears on your screen. Now just put your email address and password, click to the sign in. Now go to the more, then education and training. Here you can see all the certifications of, or you need to go to the credentialing, click on that. Here you need to see, you have to see all your certification, but we are particularly interested in these both PMRuA and PMR and A. So we're gonna go to the first one, just preparation path series. Here is the beacon portal, which is an education portal of Palo Alto. You need to click to the login. So you don't have an account, so you need to register for it first. So click on the registration, put your email, just put the captcha code, click to the next. Now here's some information you need to fill out, and after the like your name and all. After that click to the sign in, and you are successfully registered for the beacon portal. So now you just need to sign in, just log in with ping SOS. When you click on that, you will automatically sign in to the beacon portal. So it shows some options to you, and as you can see your profile is enabled here. And if you go to the these all the requirements to complete the examination for particular certificate. So as we go to the last, that is an Palo Alto official certificate PMRuA, we click on that. This is a shortcut which I am telling you that. So this is the micro credential certificate. We just directly click on that. Otherwise you need to clear all the prerequisite. So here is the most minimal prerequisite to complete the PMRuA. So these all are the assignments, or you can say the chapter. These all are chapters containing assignments. So you have to clear all the assignments before attempting the certificate. So like you see, these are all the chapter, course and related assignment. You need to go to the chapter and pass in the assignment so that you can attempt this free certification, which is Palo Alto Certified Remote User Administration. So you can do it by one by one.